big shout out of thanks to all of you. You know why? Well, because today Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen has crossed 1,000 subs, and this indeed is a very proud moment and a big milestone achieved. Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen was started nearly 1.5 years ago, and in this little time achieving 1,000 sub is definitely incredible, and the entire credit I want to give to all of you, because without your support I would have not even moved a step ahead. So I want to thank each one of you who watch, who like, comment and share. You all are very special and equally important to me. So again, a very big thank, and please keep supporting and please keep showering your love. So on that note, we'll continue this ritual, and I'll be sharing my today's recipe, which is a breakfast using kala chana or black chickpea. This is called Chundal in Tamil, and it's a very simple recipe. So in this I am using little bit of beetroot also. Now coming to beets, they are excellent for diabetics, especially who are suffering from type 2. But again, you should keep one thing in mind, that beets are a little higher on glycemic index. So you should consume it in small portions. And the nitrates which are present in beets help big time in controlling your blood pressure. And if you are diabetic, you know you have to take very good care of your heart. So on that note, let's get started. Thank you so very much. Here comes our tasty Chundal. Now next time your stomach rumbles and grumbles and demands for something very tasty, please don't reach out for any junk. Instead, you know now what you can make. So please do try it out. It's very simple and healthy recipe. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe by clicking on my picture above. I'll see you again next week with one more interesting recipe. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you so very much.